My name is Mohammed Shakib and this is Master Tech. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Bluedio T6 headphone. I got it from AliExpress and got some custom on this. It's around 743 rupees, which is roughly around $10 or something. So yeah, we're going to be doing an unboxing. So let's get started. So this is the box itself. So over here is the Bluedio powerful sound turbine 6th generation headphone. Also I got a T2 and it still works, but it's in a very bad condition. So let me just flip it over here. If you want to read this specification, you can pause and read it. So here is some map of headphone itself. So here is the microphone for active noise cancellation, MF button, LED indicator, and also the microphone for call and charging, control, audio jack, active noise cancellation switch. So here is the Bluedio sticker itself. So you can scratch this and cross check on their website whether this product genuine or not. So you can do that. And on the left side we got a headphone itself. So yeah, carrying pouch and also the manual, and also the big thing over here is the USB Type-C charging cable. So that's pretty much it. Nothing on the box. Top is just Bluedio. Here's the turbine. So we're gonna be opening this box up. So let's get started. Dun-da-da. So here is the headphone itself. Very good, nicely packaged by Bluedio. So let me just pull this plastic off. So here is the headphone itself. So let me just keep this aside for a moment and check out what we got. So it's nothing more than that. There's just an accessory, I mean just a cable and the carrying pouch over here. This is the carrying pouch. The quality is decent. So all the Bluedio new headphones have a USB Type-C charging port. So you can also do adjustment according to your head. It's almost 9 times, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 to the 9. So you can if you have a big head, you can also use this headphone, so no problem at all. So let me just go back, and also the same over here is the very smooth, and the build quality is very good. I mean it's feel like a metal or something. So yeah, this is the metal, and the driver is really big for any ear. Here you can see a mic and the USB Type-C port, and also the active noise cancellation button over here, and some LED and the power button over here. Cushion on this is very soft and very comfortable to wear. So if you have any question related to these headphones, please do let me know in the comment section down below. And also the upcoming days we're gonna be making a review video of these headphones, so please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and that's it. Thank you for watching and bye.